This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo, your instructor. If you are a noun student or from any other universities, this will be very useful for you. Please do well to share it with others as well as on your study groups. Do you want a video of any other GST? If so, let us know at the comment section if this is your first time of coming across our videos. Then do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others too to benefit. Module 2, Unit 1. The unit begins by introducing the historical development of philosophy, spanning from ancient times to contemporary periods, with a focus on the ancient age. It outlines the major philosophical stages or ages, including the pre-Socratic, Socratic or classical, medieval, modern, late modern, and contemporary eras. In the pre-Socratic era, philosophy emerged in Greece around the 6th century BCE, growing out of wonder and curiosity about fundamental questions concerning existence, reality, and the cosmos. Philosophers such as Thales of Miletus, Anaximander, and Anaximenes sought to identify the primary substance or element from which all things originated. Thales proposed water as the fundamental element, while Anaximander posited an infinite neutral substance, and Anaximenes argued for air. Other pre-Socratic philosophers like Heraclitus, Parmenides, Zeno of Elea, Empedocles, Democritus, and Pythagoras delved into topics such as change, permanence, and the nature of reality. The Socratic or classical age marked a significant shift in philosophical focus, particularly with Socrates, who prioritized ethical inquiries and the examination of how people should live. Socrates' method of questioning, known as the Socratic method, aimed to uncover truth and promote ethical living. His student Plato expanded on Socratic ideas, developing theories such as forms, which posited that the material world is a mere reflection of ideal, immutable forms. Plato also explored political philosophy in works like The Republic, advocating for a society led by philosopher kings. Aristotle, another prominent figure, further developed philosophical thought, contributing to logic, metaphysics, ethics, and politics. Aristotle's emphasis on empirical observation and categorization laid the groundwork for scientific inquiry. Additionally, the unit explores various philosophical movements of the ancient age, including sophism, cynicism, skepticism, Epicureanism, hedonism, Stoicism, and Neoplatonism. Each movement offered distinct perspectives on knowledge, virtue, and the pursuit of happiness, ranging from relativism and skepticism to the pursuit of tranquility through moderation or the rejection of conventional desires. Overall, the unit highlights the diverse range of philosophical inquiries and perspectives that emerged during the ancient age, laying the foundation for subsequent philosophical developments and shaping human understanding of existence, ethics, and the nature of reality.